The Moon is an astronomical body orbiting Earth as its only natural satellite. It is the fifth largest satellite in the solar system and by far the largest among planetary satellites relative to the size of the planet that it orbits. The Moon is 85 million years younger than previously thought. So let's jump into the video to see the new discovery of Moon's age which turns Moon to younger. We publish good content videos every day. If you're not subscribed to the channel since, don't forget to tap the subscribe button below, otherwise I will hypnotize you. In a new study, researchers at the German Aerospace Center found out that not only did the Moon once have a massive, fiery magma ocean, but our rocky satellite also formed later than scientists previously expected. What is magma ocean? Magma is a mixture of molten and semi-molten rock. The magma ocean was likely present on the Moon from the time of Moon's formation, about 4.5 or 4.4 billion years ago. Billions of years ago, a Mars-sized protoplanet smashed into young Earth and amid the debris and cosmic rubble, a new rocky body formed our Moon. In this new work, the researchers reconstructed the timeline of the Moon's formation, while scientists have previously thought that this Moon-forming collision happened 4.51 billion years ago. The new work pegged the Moon's birth at only 4.425 billion years ago. To determine this 85 million year error in the Moon's age, the team used mathematical models to calculate the composition of the Moon over time. Based on the idea that the Moon was host to a massive magma ocean, the researchers calculated how the minerals that formed as the magma cooled solidified changed over time. By following the timeline of the magma ocean, the scientists were able to trace their way back to the Moon's formation. By comparing the measured composition of the Moon's rocks with the predicted composition of the magma ocean from our model, we were able to trace the evolution of the ocean back to its starting point, the time at which the Moon was formed. These findings, which show that the Moon formed 4.425 million years ago, give or take 25 million years, agree with previous research that aligned the Moon's formation with the formation of Earth's metallic core. This is the first time that the age of the Moon can be directly linked to an event that occurred at the very end of the Earth's formation, namely the formation of the core. Thorsten Klein, a professor at the Institute of Planetology at the University of Münster in Germany, said in the same statement. These findings were described in a new study published in the journal Science Advances. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to click the like button below this video and subscribe to the channel.